As most people know, caulking is not easy to do properly. But this method here, I think it's going to be a great way to do your caulking. Absolutely.
So he's cut it off, the tip.
Yeah, then he heats it up with a lighter, and then he squishes the tip of the plastic of the caulking gun. And you nip it off again.
So it's a bigger opening.
Yeah, so now it can actually squirt stuff out. Then you put this little
V.
The little notchy V in there. And wait till you see what happens.
Look, it's perfect seam.
Oh, I wish I knew this trick. Been in construction all my life, and this is perfect.
Yeah. I wish I would have known it too. I've had to do it a couple of times.